A correctional officer is now dead after he was stabbed this morning by an inmate at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center. Now, based from what I'm gathering, it is reported that whilst doing the unlocking of the cells, one of the inmates attacked the correctional officer with a makeshift ice pick and stabbed him. He was there after rushed to the hospital, I think it's a Spanish Town hospital, where he underwent surgery and he died subsequently whilst being treated. Now, for those who don't know, an inmate is the same thing what we call prisoner. Zine, a man locked up in a cell. And a correctional officer is the same thing where most of us, many of us Jamaicans know as warder. Zine, the same man them will take care of the prisoner, them will feed them, all kind of something. So yes, one prisoner stabbed one warder this morning and kill him. No, I cannot speak to the circumstances leading up to this incident, right? Because I do not have the full details as yet. But what I can say now is that it is a sad day in Jamaica, right? Because who would think that a prisoner, somebody who is locked up in a cell, where they spend most of their time, day and night, would be armed with a weapon rather, that could actually kill another person. Now, this is telling us a lot of things. No, what this is telling us, right? And this is based on my understanding. Based on what I understand with the cell system, or should say the lockup system, is that cells and prisoners are searched randomly. Or let me rephrase that. The cells and the prisoners should, and I will use should be searched randomly and regularly. So this incident this morning is telling us a lot. So it's one of two things. It is either the warders are not doing their jobs in carrying out effective search of the cells, or it is that the prisoners are outsmarting them by concealing these weapons. Right? Look at the screen. Now this is the picture of the makeshift ice pick that was used. And if you observe it closely, you will see where they use a piece of metal which they sharpened at the end, and they use plastic bags and papers to make the handle. Now this is a deadly weapon that could slaughter a cow, much as a human being. Now, the big question is, how many more of these makeshift ice bricks are inside the cells, are in the lockups? This is Jamaica, and one cell is normally shared by at least 4 prisoners. Now, if one man inside that cell makes a weapon, then everybody will now want to make a weapon just in the event there should be a disagreement or a fight. So I can bet my life that there are several more of these weapons in and around the cell area. But here is the $1,000,000 question, viewers and subscribers. How do you think these items that are used to make these weapons get inside the cells? Take a second to think about it. No, the same warders are the ones that are being paid to carry these contrabands inside the cells. Believe it or not, even at the stations, the police officers that works by the cells some of the times, I'm not saying all police officers, I'm not saying all warders, but believe it or not, they are being paid by friends and family members of prisoners to take contrabands to them inside the cells, to include cell phones and many other items. Just think about it. There is no other way, absolutely no other way for them to get these items, because they're locked inside a cell most of their time, right? Somebody told me once that the warders charge $5,000 per phone. So whenever they want a phone, or whenever a cell search is carried out and the phone is found that they want a new one, they just pay the warder $5,000. And the warder bringing a phone in the cell for them. And these things are real, people. These are not make-up store business, are real scenarios I tell you about. No, we Jamaicans are very reactive than proactive, and we normally wait on stuff to happen for us to make change. And it is really sad that the correctional officer lost his life in this manner, and I'm just hoping and praying that others will learn from this incident. The correctional officers and the police officers need to do what is to be done to protect themselves and to protect the prisoners whilst they're in their care. Viewers and subscribers, thanks for watching my video. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. You know, I always want your opinion when you think about the whole incident, people. Go over Instagram, go follow me at Jamaican Drama 1. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, people, big up on yourself. I'm out.